When you search for the best wall-mounted garage vacuums, everything looks the same. Similar features, identical claims. But if you really want to find the one that works for you, you need to dig a little deeper. Product number 1, Bissell Garage Pro. Let's kick things off with the Bissell Garage Pro wall-mounted wet-dry car vacuum. Priced at around $249.99, this vacuum stands out with its sleek stealth metallic gray design and 12-amp power. If you want a vacuum that handles both wet and dry messes effortlessly, this is worth a serious look. The Bissell has a 4-gallon dirt tank and comes with 7 versatile attachments, making it perfect for everything from your garage to your car. The fact that it can convert into a blower is a sweet bonus for those fall cleanups, blowing away leaves and debris. Here's why this matters for you specifically. The 12 amps of power mean it can tackle tough messes without breaking a sweat. That 32-foot hose lets you clean those hard-to-reach areas without having to move the vacuum around constantly. With a solid 4.5-star rating from over 3,600 reviews, it's a popular choice that many have trusted. Now, some people complained about the noise level. Here's the thing though, most vacuums are loud, and if you're looking for power, you might have to deal with a bit of sound. So if you're sensitive to noise, this might not be ideal for you. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable all-in-one cleaner for your garage and car, but skip this one if you're looking for a whisper-quiet solution. For the value it offers, it's hard to beat. Alright, that was a solid option. But the next one on my list might actually be even better for a budget-friendly choice. Product number 2, DEWALT DXV06G. Next up, we have the DEWALT Portable 6-gallon 5-horsepower wall-mounted garage wet-dry vacuum cleaner, priced at $155.72. This one's a powerhouse in a compact design, and the bright yellow and black color makes it hard to miss. If you've got tough cleaning jobs, this vacuum is definitely worth your attention. The 6-gallon capacity means you won't have to stop often to empty it, making your cleaning process smoother. The multifunctional design allows it to not only vacuum but also blow, which is great for quick cleanups. Plus, the wall-mounted feature saves space in your garage while keeping it accessible. With a high rating of 4.8 stars from 835 reviews, it's evident that users appreciate its performance. Now, some users mentioned it can be a bit bulky to mount. Here's the thing though, once it's up, you won't have to worry about moving it around, and that saves you time in the long run. This is perfect for you if you need a strong, versatile cleaner that won't break the bank, but skip it if you want something ultralight and portable. For the price, it's tough to beat the power and performance. Now, if the Bissell's price tag bothered you, this next one takes a completely different approach. Product number 3, ShopVac 5-gallon. The ShopVac 5-gallon 5.5 peak HP wet-dry vacuum is next on our list at $169.89. This compact yet powerful unit comes in a striking red design which catches the eye right away. If you're looking for a wall-mounted vacuum that's easy to handle, this is worth a serious look. It features a peak 5.5 horsepower, providing solid suction for both wet and dry messes. The wall-mountable design means you can store it out of the way but still have it ready when needed. What's really handy is the 7-foot and 18-foot hoses, allowing for a large cleaning radius without dragging the vacuum around. ShopVac has been a respected name in this industry for decades, with a solid 4.2-star rating from 814 users, showing it's a trusted choice. Now, they do caution that the hoses can't be connected, which frustrated some people. But honestly, that's not a deal-breaker for me. It's still effective and versatile for most cleaning tasks. This is perfect for you if you need a reliable, powerful vacuum that doesn't take up much space, but skip it if you want to connect hoses for extended reach. It's a solid choice for the price and performance. Alright, that was a great option, but if you want something a bit more upscale, keep watching for the next one. Product number 4, Stanley SL18133. Let's talk about the Stanley Wet-Dry Vacuum SL18133, which is priced at just $99.99. This one has a stainless steel finish that not only looks good but also promises durability. If you need something tough and dependable for those messy garage cleanups, this is worth checking out. The wall-mounted design helps keep your space tidy and clutter-free. This vacuum also comes with a 26-foot cleaning range, which is impressive for a unit of this size. It's lightweight and portable, making it easy to take around your garage or home. With a 4.5-star rating from 563 reviews, people appreciate its performance and functionality. Now, some users have mentioned that it struggles a bit with larger debris. Here's the thing though, if you're primarily dealing with dust and smaller messes, it shouldn't be a problem. This is perfect for you if you need a budget-friendly vacuum that gets the job done well, but skip it if you expect to clear out larger items regularly. It's a great deal for a reliable vacuum. Now, if you're looking for something with even more power and features, let's check out our final pick. Product number 5, GV50 Pro Vacuum. Finally, we have the GV50 Pro wall-mounted garage and car vacuum, which comes with a price tag of $439. This vacuum is a bit of a splurge, but it delivers a whole lot of value. If you're serious about keeping your garage spotless, this is definitely worth a look. It has a massive 50-foot hose, allowing you to clean even the furthest corners without moving the unit. With a 7-gallon capacity and a powerful motor, it's built for heavy-duty use. The steel construction means it's tough enough to last through years of use, and the sealed HEPA-style bag eliminates the hassle of messy cans. Its 4.6-star rating from over 600 reviews shows it's well-regarded among users looking for power and convenience. Now, I have to mention that the price might be a sticking point for some. But if you're often tackling big messes, the investment could pay off in time and effort saved. This is perfect for you if you need a high-capacity vacuum that can tackle tough jobs, but skip it if you're on a tight budget. For dedicated users, it's worth every penny. So to wrap things up, we've looked at the Bissell Garage Pro for versatility, the DEWALT DXV06G for power, the Shop Vac for compact cleaning, the Stanley for budget friendliness, and the GV50 Pro for heavy-duty use. Each of these vacuums has its perks, so choose the one that fits your needs best.